last 30 days, there are too many cases from TCS. Okay, if you did the dual employment, HR people will call you. Okay, you will be in HR operation team with 100 plus people. Okay, because 100 plus people did the dual employment. They got identified based on PF service history and they got email. Okay, if you struggle with dual employment, they will request you to raise the resignation from your side. Okay, if you raise the resignation from your side, please do that so that you will get the proper experience letter and relief letter. Okay, if you don't agree your dual employment, they will fire you. Okay, and you will come out from the organization without any experience letter. Okay, and something you did wrong, that is true. Okay, so try to resign properly and get the proper relieving letter from the organization and support them. For future organization to join in the new organization with your dual employment, okay, I will suggest you what you need to do. Okay, you can connect to me. Okay, definitely I will suggest you. People are really struggling, that is why I initiated this channel. Okay, you can interact with me, definitely I will give you this suggestion. Okay, take care, all the best, have a wonderful day.